I am here with Paul, the GM of Fiesta on Yellowstone in Idaho Falls. Paul, how long have you been in the restaurant industry?
I've been in the restaurant industry a total of about 10 years.
And how long have you been working with the Fry Right system?
I've been working with the Fry Right system for 13 months now.
And what benefits have you noticed utilizing the Fry Right system?
So just as advertised, being able to clean your oil out and everything, be able to use it for a longer period of time. We were able to keep our oil below 24 TPM for 2 weeks. We're able to keep the quality of our food great. We don't have smoking oil much at all, if ever. Our vats and everything, when we use the vat cleaning system, it's amazing, and everything helps to keep our oil and our vats pristine.
We just got done with the Vat Cleaning Protocol today.
And this was all after one really good vat cleaning, because it hasn't been done properly until today.
Those elements look fantastic.
So,
well, thank you for being a Fry Right system operator
very well.
and making fried food safe and healthier for people.